get ready for a surprise. Alright, now I want you to go in the comments right now. Get it all out of your system. Tell me how fucking ugly I am. Tell me how hideous I look. Tell me how brassy and gross and shitty my hair looks. I know. I see you. I know that you need to feel the need to let people know how fucking terrible they look. I can't tell you how many times I've been out at a bar recently and some girl just comes up to me and goes, "Thank you for your insight. I really appreciate the positive feedback." But today, we are going to piss these people off even more than normal. We got some fucking Manic Panic, high voltage, vegan, rock and roll, red. We're doing my hair red now, and my channel got demonetized for not reaching the threshold, so we're gonna add all the copyrighted music we want. I'm at a new point in my life. I'm at a point where I am my hair is blonde. I've had red hair and pink hair and all this stuff, and it just fades out because I use temp colors, and I'm having a good time. And you know, in between colors, people feel the need to come and be like, "Hey man, my life isn't very fulfilling, so I gotta tell you how bad your hair looks." Yeah, okay. You know what? You know who doesn't hate my hair? Your sister and your girlfriend and other heterosexual women figures in your life, because they enjoy it. No one actually really likes it except me. I know right now it has this crazy poof game going on. That's because I just conditioned it and I have absurdly thick hair, and it looks like I have a wig on right now. But I can assure you that when it's not been freshly shampooed and has product in it, it's passable. But right now, you know, I look like a fucking train wreck, so let's just get this in here and avoid further embarrassment. Empty desired amount into coloring bowl. Apply evenly with a tint brush. Now, we don't have a tint brush, so we're going to do the old, you know, the old loosey-goosey method where we just kind of apply it manually. For best results, put in Manic Panic tint bowl with Manic Panic tint brush, and while waiting, use our Manic Panic timer. No, I'm not buying into your scheme. I'm a free-thinking individual, and I can use my own mixing bowl. I made a video a couple days ago where I dyed my hair with here, I actually have some in here, with Kool-Aid. It didn't work out, and after I got done with the video, I was wearing shorts during it, and I'm not even kidding you. You could see my balls the entire video. Like, I'm not even joking. And I tried to like crop the video so they wouldn't show, and it just didn't. I couldn't do it. It didn't work, so I had to scrap the whole video. Do not apply to scalp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit, that's a lot. That's a lot of hair dye. The thing about having hair is that you have fun. You know, you don't want to be like, "Oh, he didn't section off his hair into 4 even pieces and apply it with a Manic Panic tint brush." You know what? No. I'm going to have fun. I'm going to do it my way. I'm going to get weird with it. And honestly, this might give me some cool like fucking highlights because it's so uneven and shit, and people are going to be like, "Damn, where did you get that done? I want to talk to your stylist." And I'm gonna be like, "Well, you know what? It's me. I spent $10 on Manic Panic at Sally's Beauty, and you know, I'm honestly basically a cosmetologist now, so fuck with me." Oh yeah, you will, won't you, boy? Apply evenly with tint brush. How the hell are you supposed to apply this evenly with the tint brush? I might have to use this whole fucking jar because my hair is so Italian and thick. You're not Italian, you're an American. Oh yeah. Oh, this is fucking fresh. This is refreshing. This is therapy. I'm gonna set my mirror down here, so if you see me looking down here a lot, don't get too concerned. Like, that boy crazy. That boy's staring at the floor and shit. The back is just completely blonde still because I suck. Oh yeah, right there. There's some fucking blonde. Get it! Apply the dye. Deploy the boy. Fuck yeah, daddy. I had a nightmare last night where this kid, we were like out swimming with a bunch of people I knew from like a long time ago, and this kid got a he got a boner, and then he like left the pool, and we were like sitting around talking about it like the next day, and I was like, yeah, he got a boner, and then like I looked over and he was just like sitting there, and he's like, are you fucking kidding me, man? And him and his friend just started beating me up and throwing food at me, and it was one of those dreams where like you can't like fight, you're just like super weak, and like you try to just like get up and you're just like super fucking like you're trying to like hit back and you just like make no efforts. It was awful. It was absolutely terrible. I woke up. It was one of those dreams where you wake up and you just like sit on the edge of the bed and you're like, guys, I love this so much. It looks so fucking cool, and I know it's not gonna look like this once it's rinsed out and dry, but I love this look. It looks so sick. See, I don't mind doing it kind of sloppy because sometimes you get like really cool like blonde highlights, and you're just like, damn, I didn't even mean to do that, and it looks like you did it intentionally. Like, did you tinfoil that? I'm like, yeah, bitch. And then it says, put it in a shower cap and apply heat. And I don't have a shower cap or a hair dryer, so this is what we're gonna do. Grocery bag. Fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh, God, it's so good.
Dude, I fucking love this shit. This looks great. This looks amazing. I love it. And for a temporary hair color that doesn't have any peroxide in it or anything like that, this looks pretty damn good. All I did in the shower was I rinsed it with water. I didn't use any conditioner or shampoo, but I think that there's actually a little bit of like a conditioning agent in it because my hair feels really like silky and like smooth, and it wasn't like dry and sticking together like normally what happens when you like dye your hair with some ghetto ass like splat or something. But it looks great. It's still just like a little bit damp right now, but I wanted to film this before the sun set completely because I just really didn't feel like dragging my lighting out for like 2 minutes. But also it didn't bleed onto my towel either, which is actually really, really surprising because this is like a bright red ass hair dye, and it didn't bleed onto my towel at all, which is insane. But yeah, I used about like I said, about a little over a half a jar for this. I left it on for about, I'd say like an hour and a half maybe. I just like put it on, put the trash bag, put the trash bag on my head, and I just like sat down and like played some video games, and it wasn't itchy, it wasn't like burning, it was like completely fine, and I got some pretty decent coverage on it too, I believe, for doing it by myself with no brush or separating my hair or anything. But I really, really fucking like it. I mean, I'm going to have to buy some more of that shit whenever this stuff washes out. Might have to try like a blue or a green next or something, but I really like it. But yeah, stay tuned. We should be putting out some videos over the next few days because Derek and all them will be back in town. So we have a few ideas cooked up that we want to do. And other than that, that should be about it for this vid. We'll see you. See you bitches later. I'll see you. See you little pussies.